Hello student, today we will do question number C and D of question number 1 from exercise 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, this is multiple type questions. Question number C. Manish opened an RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 1000 per month at the interest of 10% per annum and for 2 years. The total money deposited by him. So total money deposited is equal to P. P means monthly installment and N. N is number of months. So P is 1000 and N is for 2 years, means 24. So this will be rupees 24,000. This is answer. So number 2 will be the right option. Now see question number D. Rupees 800 per month is deposited in an RD account for 1.5 years. If the depositors gets rupees this as an interest at the time of maturity, the rate of interest is, we have to find R. So I formula is first right, P into N to N plus 1 divided by 2 into R, 2 into 12 into R by 100. So interest is given 2280 and P is 800 into N is for 1.5 years, means 1.5 years means 18 months. So 18 into 19 divided by 2 into 12 into R, we have to find this. So this will be cut, this 0 will be cut. If you divide by 6, 6 3 are 18, 6 2 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8. This 2, this will be cut. Now R is equal to then R is equal to 2280 divided by 2 into 3 into 19. If you calculate this, 19 1 3 3 2 is 6, 6 divide then 20. So this is 20%. So 20% is this is answer, but in book it is given in book it is given option 3. In book it is given option 3 and 20%. This is given in book, but there is no 20% in option 3. So number 1 is right option. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.